join us. Collection team, please join us. Everybody gather around. We shall begin the award ceremony. Hi, good evening. I think everybody looks tired but happy. I can see smile on everybody's faces and I don't know. Yes, I think you all are very happy with today's match. This tournament was organized, ये पूरा tournament सिर्फ आपके लिए organize किया गया था. मैंने बहुत दिनों से सुना था कि सबको क्रिकेट खेलने का बहुत शौक है और 2-3 साल में कोई टूर्नामेंट हुआ नहीं. So we decided to take up this and we made this happen and you made this happen a reality. I'm very thankful to all my dearest leaders, my dearest team members, my marketing team, I think everybody who was involved in this, who made this happen. And छोटा सा but अच्छा हमने करने की कोशिश करी. I think Santosh and team also helped us get this ground, make this happen, and I'm very thankful to all of you to come here and put forth a very active participation. Each of you has showed us कि अगर आप कुछ अचीव करना चाहते हो तो आप कर सकते हो. आई थिंक स्मॉल वे अगर आप हारे भी होंगे या आप जीते भी होंगे लेकिन आपने मेहनत जरूर की है, राइट? सो cheers and many congratulations and applause to all of you. Anurag sir wanted to be here but he couldn't come today because it was a long travel but and some family reason, but otherwise he was watching the match and he is, I think so, even right now. So we really miss you, sir, and I think he really enjoyed the match. To start with, thanks to all my leaders for coming here today, traveled so long, and I think we will begin with the award ceremony now, right? To start with, I think I would like to call all the leaders one by one. We have participation certificate for everyone, right? As a memento of active participation and your valuable, contribution in today's tournament. Okay? So let's start with team audit. Mr. Mahesh, please come forward. Audit team का निकालो. So Master Blaster team, this is your certificate for the team and I'm very thankful for you and your team to make this happen. Many congratulations to all the playing members. I think Mahesh was unwell and I think he still came here to play with all of you. And how did you find it? आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. Feel it's first of all the complete team is here from complete Western Maharashtra and Goa, so I feel happy and everybody shown their spirit and their passion in cricket. That was really wonderful and really thanks to the complete organizers, everybody.
Thank you so much, Mahesh, for your kind words and congratulations, audit and collection team, for showing an amazing participation in today's tournament. Yes. Next, I would like to call, I think we'll go by the sequence. With audit, we had Santosh Bhosle's team playing in the morning. So yes, Santosh, if you could please come forward, we would like to give participation certificate to your team members.
Javed, come, team manager.
Team manager, they had team coach, team manager, physiotherapist, everybody included. Many congratulations team, great work and thank you so much Santosh. I think you really made this happen a reality. And कैसा लगा आज आपको खेल के?
Actually, जैसे मैंने सुबह बोला था, it's really exciting. This moment actually we enjoy very much, and since last 3-4 years we are waiting for cricket matches, and finally it's happened today. So I think each and every player and each team enjoy since morning, and especially HNC team. Actually, we have old team from I think 16. We are playing cricket, and last 3 times we already won championship. So thank you all team players, especially Kiran, Prashant, Takdir, Vishal. Actually, they start well and finish his game perfectly. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Santosh. And amazing commentary by Javed, sir. I mean, amazing. I just can't match it. I kept quiet. I usually talk a lot, but I just couldn't do it with him. He's so good at it. So really good performance, Javed. Right. Next we have Team Goa. Prajot, please come forward. They have traveled so far, so long to play this match, and I think they did a wonderful job.
Thank you.
Many congratulations, Prajot. You all performed very well. I think आप first knockout में out हुए थे, but then the highest run rate के through आप semi-finals में पहुंचे थे. कैसा लग रहा है आज आपको?
जी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और इट्स अ टीम गेम। सभी ने बहुत अच्छा खेला है एंड आई थिंक ऑल आर विनर्स हियर। ऐसे नहीं कि कोई लूजर कोई विनर है, वी ऑल आर विनर्स। सो थैंक यू ऑल।
Well said, Prajot. Well said. All are winners. There is no loser today. Everybody has won in their own capability. But I think the most important part is you at least tried. That is the most important thing. Yes. Next we have Mumbai Heroes team, HNC team. Ishaq, please come forward. ये पूरे रंग बदलू है, ये रंग बदलू है। इन्होंने मॉर्निंग में एचएनसी की टी शर्ट पहनी थी। Many congratulations, Ishaq. Well done. I think Ishaq, आप लोगों ने बहुत ही टफ मैच था आपके लिए आज. I mean, really tight match, but you guys did a very good job. कैसा लगा आज आपको खेल के?
First of all, thanks for such a wonderful event. But I think almost it's done in very well manner. Even खाने का टाइम थोड़ा सा लेट हुआ वो छोड़ के तो खाने का टाइम थोड़ा सा लेट हुआ है वो छोड़ के बाकी everything is managed well. So I think thanks for HR or who are making all this happen this time, because Santosh already informed that we are doing this after 3 years. So it's a long gap, or I hope we are also continuing the same next year also. Thank you.
With all your support, we will make it happen. If possible, we'll make it happen half yearly. आप सबको आने का मौका मिलेगा मुंबई बार-बार. But like I mentioned, I think ईशा को बहुत ही ज़्यादा भूख लग गई थी. So yeah, let's avoid that comment. Okay, next we have Pune team. Yes, Vinod Zadav, Pune and Nasik team, Pune Warriors, amazing performance. यार विनोद, आपकी टीम ने एक्चुअली मतलब नॉट किडिंग बट आपकी टीम ने सच में बहुत एफर्ट्स डाले, लास्ट तक बहुत एफर्ट्स डाले. बट आप लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस की थी पहले साथ में?
प्रैक्टिस तो नहीं की थी, बट जैसे हम लोग खेले या जैसे मेरी टीम खेली तो उसके लिए मुझे बहुत अभिमान है. और नेक्स्ट टाइम जैसे हमारे फर्स्ट टाइम आए थे तो सारी टीम के लिए मेरी बहुत शुभकामनाएं कि इस एक्सपीरियंस के साथ हम लोग नेक्स्ट टाइम में आएंगे. और जैसे अभी संतोष सर ने बोला कि उनकी टीम में जो टीम स्पिरिट है 3-4 सालों से वो लोग जीत रहे, उसी पैशन के साथ नेक्स्ट ईयर हम लोग उतरेंगे. और सबके लिए कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस.
अमेजिंग. क्या आप लोगों ने एक नोटिस किया कि काफी सारी टीम्स अलग अलग लोकेशन से आई, जैसे नासिक पुणे टीम साथ में नहीं खेले थे, ऑडिट कलेक्शन ने भी साथ में प्रैक्टिस नहीं करी, बहुत सारे टीम्स को मौका नहीं मिला साथ में प्रैक्टिस करने का, लेकिन ऑन द फील्ड दे वर वन एज अ टीम. They spoke one language, they spoke in the same way, and I think that talks a lot about you as a team. That's an amazing thing. I think सबने इतना साथ में मिलके खेला, they owned that thing, and I think the same way I hope कि आप you own JFM together and you rock JFM. It's just hardly 10 days away, and I'm sure you will do very well. Pan India में हमें number 1 आना है. So yes, this spirit should continue. Right. I think last we have Sunil's team. Anybody from Sunil's team is still here? Nirvair or anyone? Okay, so we shall give them this participation certificates later. Yes, we'll start with the man of the match. So to give away man of the matches, I will call all the leaders one by one. First of all, I would like to call Santosh Bhosle to give away knockout match number 1 between HNC and Audit. We have Takdeer as man of the match. Please come forward. तकदीर जी, वंडरफुल परफॉर्मेंस. आप पहले अवार्ड तो ले लीजिए. मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. अरे वो तो और भी है, आगे भी है. श्योर 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 श्योर. अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस तकदीर जी. ग्रेट ग्रेट शो. वेरी गुड. क्या लगता है, आप कैसा लगा आपको मैन ऑफ द मैच बनके?
मैडम ये साल की देखे जाए तो मेरा फर्स्ट मैच है टीम में, तो इन नहीं हूँ फिलहाल, खेलता नहीं टीम में क्योंकि जॉब पे लगने के बाद टाइम नहीं मिलता है टीम में खेलने के लिए. नहीं तो छुट्टी मारनी पड़ती है, इसलिए नहीं खेलता मैडम टीम में. ओके.
ग्रेट परफॉर्मेंस तकदीर जी. गुड शो. राइट. Okay, next we have knockout match number 2 between, I think it was between Mumbai Heroes and Goa team, right? Team Rockers, right? So the man of the match के लिए I would like to call Santosh Bhosle for this. Yes. संतोष भोसले जी, क्या लगता है आपको कौन होगा इसमें मैन ऑफ द मैच? Yes, second match between Goa and Mumbai Heroes.
गोवा एंड मुंबई हीरोज, आई थिंक अलंकार और अक्षय दोनों ने अच्छा खेला था, क्योंकि मैं कमेंट्री कर रहा था तभी, तो आई नो. अक्षय, या.
Great work, Akshay. Good job. Well done. Many congratulations, Akshay. आप प्रोफेशनली खेलते हैं कभी?
नहीं,
तो इतना उमदा परफॉर्मेंस कैसे दिया आपने?
वैसे हो जाता है जब.
हो जाता है. क्या बात है. अमेजिंग. ऐसी JFM हो जाए. हो जाए. ओके, हो जाए. Great. Thank you, Akshay, for coming. Next we have the third knockout match between Pune Warriors and Nagpur Warriors, and for the same I would like to call Prajot to give away the award. Right, so the winner is Anil from Pune team. अनिल कहाँ है? अनिल इज नॉट देयर. टीएम आ जाए. चले गए? नो प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन कन्वे हिम आवर रिगार्ड्स. I think it's also a team effort, so congratulations to all the team.
Thank you, ma'am. वैसे तो है नहीं वो.
He's saying thank you on behalf of Anil. So yeah, thank you Sadanand for receiving the award. Right. Next we have semi-final 1 man of the match. Semi-final 1 was between I think HNC and Goa, team Goa. And for the same I would like to call Ishaq. And the award goes to, any guesses? Come on, yaar. The award goes to Prashant Shinde. Great job, Prashant. Unexpected था तुम्हारी टीम को ये, but that's a good thing, हाँ? Good work, प्रशांत. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है मुझे. अभी मैन ऑफ द मैच मिलकर अनएक्सपेक्टेड था हमारे टीम के लिए, लेकिन मैन ऑफ द मैच में शायद से स्ट्राइक रेट और नॉट आउट था, इसलिए मुझे मैन ऑफ द मैच दिया था.
गुड गुड गुड. कीप इट अप प्रशांत. ऐसे ही अपने टीम को शॉक में डाल देना, अमेजिंग नंबर्स ला के JFM में. right? Next we have semi-final 2 between Mumbai Heroes and Team Goa. For the same, I would like to call Vinod. Yes. Right. Thank you. And the man of the match goes to Alankar. Popular opinion for today. Great job, Alankar. How are you feeling? Many congratulations to you.
I'm always feeling happy.
Always feeling happy. This is the spirit. Always feeling happy. आप पहले आप खेलते हो प्रोफेशनली खेलते हो?
प्रोफेशनली मैच खेलता हूँ मैं.
Wow, that's nice. I think मतलब Mumbai Heroes had a advantage here. Nice. तो आप मतलब you played like on weekends या every day evening?
नहीं वीकेंड में.
That's good यार. हमेशा एक हॉबी होनी चाहिए. Everybody should have a hobby. Work life balance होना चाहिए. काम अपनी जगह लेकिन अपने पर्सनल टाइम में कोई ना कोई हॉबी पिकअप करनी चाहिए. Very good. Keep it up. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you, Vinod. Right. For the finals that happened between Mumbai Heroes and HNC team, can you guess who is the man of the match? For the same, I would like to call Santosh. Please come forward to give away the award. आपको क्या लगता है किसको मिला है?
किरण और तकदीर.
Many congratulations, Kiran, for the amazing show. और किरण क्या बात है यार, अमेजिंग. मतलब आई कुड हियर किरण किरण किरण. लास्ट मैच में तो मैंने बहुत ज्यादा सुना था जावेद के मुंह से, भाई किरण बहुत अच्छा, ये बहुत अच्छा. कैसा लग रहा है आपको इतना अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस देख के?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और आप मतलब आप ये प्रोफेशनली कभी खेलते हैं या
खेलते हो? टेनिस.
ग्रेट, अमेजिंग. किरण, आई थिंक यू आर पार्ट ऑफ व्हिच ब्रांच?
उड़न बाजारपेट.
उड़न बाजारपेट. नाइस नाइस नाइस. आई थिंक इस बार आपका पॉस कितने हैं अभी ब्रांच का?
11 करोड़ 67 लाख रुपए.
आपका टारगेट क्या है जेएफएम का?
1.5 करोड़.
1.5 करोड़ बस यार पर. अच्छा पर मंथ. Keep it up. We hope you achieve this. संतोष, नोट करके रखना, नोट करके रखना. Amazing, amazing performance, everyone. So next we have few more awards for which I would like to call upon Mahesh. Please come forward. Okay, so Mahesh, we have few more awards which is for best batsman. Starting with best batsman. Any guesses? Best batsman? Takdeer, please come forward. Great job, Takdeer. I think keep it up. Let the claps go on. Amazing performance, Takdeer. Thank you so much for your contribution. Mahesh, please stay back. Yes. Next we have best bowler. Virat, yes. 1.5 crore per month. Come on. 1.5 crore per month gets this award. Best bowler award. Amazing performance, Kiran. Let's have a round of applause for Kiran. Keep it up. Okay, Mahesh, stay back. Last but not the least, we have the best catch award. Rohit, come Great, great. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Mahesh. Thanks a lot. And I would like to give this to Javed Bhai for the final. आप एक बार I'll give away the award. इसका अच्छा आप ये बोल रहे okay fine. Right. I think so we would like to acknowledge all the team members for including female players in the match. The intention is that we want to bring that equality amongst the teams. We believe in HNC team. HNC team, can I have your attention please? HNC team, yes. Can I have your attention? Yes. So intention female players को include करने का था कि as an organization we believe in diversity and inclusion. We believe in giving equal treatment to all our female employees as equivalent to all our male employees. And to keep up that spirit, we made it mandatory to have one female player. Despite anyhow they performed, I think they did very well. I think they put forth those efforts to show up for their team. I'm sure that they would have been a little discouraged because a lot of them did not play before. But I think we should salute their spirits for showing up today, for coming forward and playing the match and showing that yes, we can do it, right? And to recognize the same, we have medals for all our female players. So from each team, I would like to call all the female players one by one. Starting from my right, we have our Mumbai heroes. Sangeeta, please come forward. Yeah, I think I'll only give away. Yes, Sangeeta. I think great show, Sangeeta. I'm very proud of you. I think I've been in touch with Sangeeta since a very long time. We have had a lot of disagreements and agreements a lot of time. But I think she has a very different kind of spirit, that I should say, that she keeps it up. She never loses her spirit. I don't know what it is, but she's very charming. And today she showed up for the match and she played very well. So congratulations, Sangeeta. Thank you for showing up. And do you have anything to say?
Yes, I enjoy a lot.
You enjoyed a lot?
Yes.
Great, great. Keep it up, Sangeeta. We hope to see you next time. Yes, next from Team Rockers, we have Anuradha Chari. Please come forward. Yes. Anuradha, great show.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
As we are aware that in Goa, we have a lot of female leadership present, and she is one of them. She's been doing great job there, and we are very proud of her. I keep interacting her on and off. कभी-कभी हमारी बात हो जाती है, and she's always very charming, always very kind. And I think today she showed up, and I'm so proud of you. How do you feel?
Starting I was nervous because first time I have played on the ground, but everybody performed well. It was a very tough competition.
Absolutely.
Yes. And thank you so much to my Goa Rockers team. Sorry, Rockers team. They gave me a chance to perform here, and I really enjoy this.
That's great.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Keep it up, Anuradha. Keep it up. Next, we have our female employee from Audit and Collection team. She left? She left? Okay. So, but yes, we will be giving away her medal to her IRA or anybody who will be able to. Sajimon, please come forward to take this on behalf of her. Thank her from our behalf. I think she did very well. Thank you so much for keeping it up. And thank you for showing up, team. You have done a wonderful job. Thanks a lot, Sajimon. Right. Right. Okay. Next from Pune team. Guy? Okay, then we'll call her. We'll give away her award later. From Mumbai team. Yes. Your good name is?
Jyotsna.
Jyotsna, please come forward. Many congratulations, Jyotsna. Good work, yeah, Jyotsna. I saw you play there and she was no less than any male employee. I think she played so well. How did you do it, yaar?
मेरे टीम की वजह से और संतोष सर को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे बोला खेलो ज्योत्सना तुम खेल सकती हो.
Thank you so much, Jyotsna, and keep it up. Right. And we have another special award that we made it last minute because इनके बिना आज मैच बहुत बोरिंग हो जाती है हमारी. मेरी मराठी और मेरी हिंदी उनकी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. दो आई एम अ गुड ओरेटर बट मानना चाहिए उनके स्पिरिट को. मिस्टर जावेद मुलानी, please come forward for the best commentary. दो शब्द कहना चाहेंगे आप?
मैच तो बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा, सब टीम ने परफॉर्म किया और एक ही कहूंगा यहाँ पे कोई लूजर नहीं है, ऑल आर विनर्स. वेस्ट वन टीम ऑलवेज विनर. वेल डन गाइस, थैंक यू.
Well done, guys. I mean, seriously, everybody. I have my amazing organizers with me, Santosh, Sabat, Amit Darware, and they have helped us make this reality. So, but we don't have awards for us, but that's okay. So we proceed to the most awaited award that we know the winners are, but why not acknowledge them? So we start with the runner-up team. And the runner-up team is Mumbai Heroes.
ये लगा रहा
क्या? अच्छा ये देना है? अब पहले नहीं आप बात करते Mahesh ji, please come forward to give away the trophy. And all the team members get one award.
Amit. नहीं देगा ना एक बार 14 प्लेयर कौन है?
Amazing performance!
और है क्या? और है क्या?
Come on, let's have a photograph.
हाँ.
जरा पेन लो, आ जाओ.
तुमने दो पेन लिया क्या?
ट्रॉफी महेश जी, ट्रॉफी दीजिए ना.
कहाँ से? अरे उस तरफ मैं आ रहा हूँ उस तरफ. अरे सर.
Many congratulations. And we have the final award, the winner award. Look how beautiful this trophy is. Isn't it? Isn't it so beautiful? But there's only one winner and this one winner is HNC team. Woo! Mahesh ji, please come forward, help us.
सिल्वर नको ना हे महेश उठा सकता नहीं लाइट है
And with this, we wrap up our award ceremony. Thank you everyone, but closing this with last few words from won this match.
Hello. Actually, thank you Anjum and entire HR team for organize this beautiful event. और सबने एंजॉय किया. आगे जाके इसमें और अच्छी टीमें इन्वॉल्व होगी और अच्छी कंपटीशन हमें देखने मिलेंगी. सो वी होप कि नेक्स्ट टूर्नामेंट और बढ़िया जगह पे और प्लानिंग के साथ मीन्स 2 दिन का मैच हम अरेंज करेंगे. वंस अगेन थैंक यू अंजुम एंड टीम फॉर मेकिंग actually such a dream in reality. Thank you.
Thank you, Santosh, for the kind words. Thank you, everyone, for coming today. We hope you enjoyed this event. I request you all to please travel back safe. Everyone, I hope that you maintain all the COVID protocols when you travel back. Please travel back safely. Ensure all the female employees reach their homes safely. Thank you, teams, for coming, and wish you all. Thank you.